Welcome to Queen Seagull Hotel. If you're dreaming of a cozy, charming escape right in the heart of Istanbul, then you're in for a treat. Tucked away in the city's vibrant core, this boutique gem offers an intimate and personal experience with just 6 beautifully designed rooms, perfect for travelers who love attention to detail and a peaceful atmosphere. Picture this. You step into a space that feels like a warm hug, where Turkish hospitality shines in every corner. The check-in process is seamless, starting at 11:30 a.m., so no rushing, just pure relaxation from the moment you arrive. And if you're traveling with little ones, the hotel welcomes children aged 1 to 2 free of charge, making it a fantastic choice for families exploring Istanbul together. Now, let's talk about the magic inside. Queen Seagull Hotel isn't just a place to sleep. It's a haven for curious minds and leisure lovers. The library is a dream come true for bookworms and movie buffs, stocked with stories from around the world. Curl up in a cozy nook, dive into a novel, or just soak in the tranquil vibes. It's your personal retreat. Plus, with amenities like free Wi-Fi, a delicious breakfast to start your day right, and express check-in for hassle-free arrivals, every need is covered. So why wait? If a blend of comfort, charm, and Istanbul's irresistible energy sounds perfect for your next getaway, book your stay at Queen Seagull Hotel and let the adventure begin. Don't forget to check the QR code for easy reservations. Happy travels!